Lab-grown diamond. In the last video we learned about natural diamonds. We all know the number of diamonds in nature is limited, not infinite due to the extremely harsh formation. Formed at a depth of 100 miles below the Earth's surface, over a period of 1 to 3.5 billion years, under the conditions of high pressure 5 GPC, equivalent to 4.41 to 5.58 million tons. Equal to the weight of nearly 600 Eiffel pressure, and temperatures reached 1200 degrees Celsius. So for a long time, people have found a solution to replace natural diamonds, which is artificial diamonds. This will bring us a lot of benefits. It is non-mining, has no impact on the environment, provides more choices for people while replacing natural diamonds. So since when did man start to think of an experiment with creating artificial diamonds? Let's together discover lab-grown diamond development history. Some argue that artificial diamonds were produced between 1879 to 1928. However, this information has not been verified yet. In 1941, GE gathered a team to research and develop diamonds. However, their research was later stopped due to World War II. In 1954, GE created a pair of synthetic diamonds for the first time, but it still did not have gems quality. 1970, the first synthetic diamond with gems quality is produced by GE. Until the 1980s that synthetic diamonds with gems quality were ready for commercial use. Over decades of development, the quality of artificial diamonds created has gradually improved. From 1879 to 1928, all efforts were simply to convert the cheap manifold structures of carbon into diamonds. In 1954, the largest diamond piece ever created was just 0.15 millimeters across, too small and visually imperfect for jewelry. It was only in the 1970s that a diamond of gems quality was created with a size of 5 millimeters. In 1980, new commercial diamonds were produced. The most important thing that makes the quality of the diamonds is the production technology. Let's learn about diamond production technology. In 1893, Henry Moissac created an electric arc furnace to heating coal up to 3,500 degrees Celsius along with iron to convert the structural form of carbon into diamond. In 1954, a breakthrough in the use of belt presses, to produce a pressure above 10 GPa and a temperature of 2000 degrees Celsius. These belt presses continued to be applied and improved until the 1980s. The apparatus called bar apparatus is claimed to be the most compact, efficient, and economical. This method is commonly known as HPHT, high pressure high temperature. However, to create diamonds with high quality and identical to natural diamonds, we must talk about chemical vapor deposition technology. Let's take a look at this artificial diamond created from this chemical vapor deposition technology. CVD uses a purest form of diamond. This seed is placed inside a sealed chamber that is heated to over 1400 Fahrenheit and filled with carbon-rich gases, typically methane and hydrogen. These gases are then ionized into plasma using a technology similar to lasers or microwaves. This technology essentially breaks down the molecular bond of the gas. Once the molecular bond is broken down, pure carbon begins to stick to the seed and a new diamond forms. Additional treatments may be used to enhance or change the diamond's color after it is grown. Lab-grown diamonds typically take less than a month to grow. White diamonds take the longest time to grow, with it taking 2+ weeks to grow a 1-carat diamond. On the other hand, yellow and blue diamonds take 5 to 10 days. It is important that the growing process is not rushed when making diamonds. If the process is rushed, the crystal will fracture. That's all for our video this week. Thank you for watching and see you again on next video.